Hi everyone. I'm so sorry this is late, but we're here for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's going to be a short video. The video is going to go up today, February 20th, and you'll have until February 25th to like, comment, and subscribe. I will announce on the 25th the winner. And they will have 2 weeks until March 11th to contact me. My email is coralmarinesresinart@hotmail.com. And I will get you a $50 Amazon gift card. And also want to say thank you to Karen at the Dragon's Cave for the tip on how to do the comment picker. So thank you, Karen. Yeah, so we're going to do a $50 Amazon gift card. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I've been doing this for June, will be 2 years. And I can't remember exactly when I got 1,000 subscribers, but I was going through a lot of stuff. I know it was right at the end of 2024, towards the end of 2024. I just don't remember exactly what month it was. I was going through a lot of stuff, and I took a break for a little while. But I want to say thank you to everyone, and I greatly appreciate it. And I'm trying to work on getting back in the flow of doing more videos, but I'm also currently in physical therapy right now, so trying to work everything in. I'm trying to work on a balance to make sure I'm getting videos out and still taking care of me as well. So we're working on it. But I hope everyone has a good day, and thank you all so much. So don't forget to like, comment, and make sure you're a subscriber. And I look forward to seeing who ends up being a winner. And I'll be using a different website for the comment picker. Actually, I think it actually is called Comment Picker. And I'll record it on my phone. So, and then I'll show it during the video so y'all can see who the winner is. And I'll see y'all again on the 25th, and then again on March 11th. If not sooner, as soon as the person contacts me, I'll do a video as soon as they contact me, and well, you'll know who the winner is. But yeah, as soon as they contact me. I don't know. I get fuddled with my words. Y'all have a good day, and good luck to all the contestants and my subscribers and everybody, and have a good one. Bye.